Hello everyone and welcome to the Fivers YouTube channel. I hope you all feel good these days. And before I start, I would like to remind you just that if you want to receive any updates or any trading ideas or other Forex articles, you are more than welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our newsletter, and you'll get it all. And today I would like to introduce you with a pattern which called the Quasimodo pattern. It is a chart pattern. It's a reversal pattern and it's not very popular, but in my opinion, it's one of the most powerful and reliable pattern to trade. The risk reward ratio that this pattern provides, the potential, it's amazing. And I'll show you some example for a Quasimodo pattern that was in the past and how it works, and we'll see maybe one or two situations that's still valid to trade. So I'll start with the explanation about the Quasimodo pattern. Usually it's a reversal, not usually, it's a reversal pattern, and it's a show up after a significant uptrend or significant downtrend. And let's take for this example this downtrend, as you can see here on the chart. Okay, I'll just make it a bit larger. Okay, and actually what defined an uptrend and downtrend? All right, downtrend defined by lower lows and lower highs. When the price creates, as you can see here, we can see, let's try just to paint it, we can see this, sorry, low, then the price creates this high, and another low, lower low, as we said before, and this is a lower high compared to the previous one, and the price keep moves down, create a lower low, okay, and a new high which is lower than the previous one. All right. And until here we can see that the price is in downtrend, and you can see how the price creates the lower low here. All right, so until here everything seems good and logic, and from that point, from that lower low, okay, from that lower low you can see how the price just rise up and create a new high which is higher than the last one, right? Which is different from what we saw until that point. That situation indicates that this bearish momentum has ended and the price just get inside the bullish momentum area. All right, so the price creates a higher high which is different from what we saw until that point, and it make it, the price created with a nice one sharp movement, as you can see here, and that pattern called Quasimodo. Okay, this is the Quasimodo. When the price creates the higher high, we already can see that we got the Quasimodo pattern. The right level to enter, it's usually what we called the left shoulder, which is the last, not the last, the one before, low here, right, of the recent downtrend. So consider it's like, usually it's like in a head and shoulders pattern. So we just call this the left shoulder. As you can see, it's also here. If we look better, we can see it's also a logic level to buy, because it's also a demand level by himself. So that situation that you see here, it's a great situation to buy here. All right. In this case, it's the US dollar against the Japanese yen. It's a great situation to buy here. All right. And the stop loss will be below that level, the last low. So this is the Quasimodo pattern. And it's, again, very reliable and powerful pattern to trade when you know how to identify right this pattern. Let's see. Let's go to this time. All right. And as you can see here, the price just came after an uptrend while creating a high, low, higher high, higher low, right? Then higher high and another higher low, okay? And higher high, as you can see here. Then the price just drop down and create lower low after we saw a series of higher low. As you can see here, suddenly the price creates a lower low. This one is lower from the previous one. That situation creates the Quasimodo pattern, and at this point the left shoulder is the right level to sell the US dollar and the yen. And as you can see, it also seems like a supply level, which after these few little and small candles, the price just dropped down. So that level seems like a great level to sell because it's supply and it's a part of the Quasimodo pattern, and it's a good opportunity. Okay, let's see another example, which is a bit different, since as you can see the SPX index here. All right, and just try to make this picture more clear. And it doesn't matter the reason that we saw the price drop down in the last 2 or 3 weeks. I mean, we all know the reason, but that's not the point. Still up there, which is for now look very far, right? But it's just to give you an explanation and to show you a sample of a picture of this pattern. After the price creates in a daily chart higher high and higher lows, as you can see here, then the price creates a lower low, much far from this last low of the recent uptrend, and that creates the Quasimodo pattern. And as we already say, the left shoulder is usually the great level to enter the sell position at this situation, which you can see it's also a supply level. You can see also it's the exact point when the price just gapped down from that point to this one. All right, so it's all combined together, the supply, which is a great level usually to sell, and it's also part of this Quasimodo pattern that we can see here. All right, last example. All right, this is the XAUUSD, which is the gold. Okay, and as you can see here, the price just create this uptrend by creating high, low, then higher high, and lower low, and then, sorry, and higher low, and another higher high, and then from that point, the price drop down and create a lower after a series of a higher low, which you can see here. This one and this one and this one. Usually, this is what defines the uptrend. Every low that the price creates is higher than the previous one. And suddenly the price creates a lower low, and that indicates that this bullish momentum is ended and the price got inside the bearish momentum zone. So, as we saw before, that will be the right level for sale. It's about the left shoulder, and we can all see it's also a great supply level, and we all see what happened when the price hit that level at the first time once again. Okay, price just rally up, hit this supply zone, and which is part of the Quasimodo pattern. Okay, and the price from that level again drop down and continue down. So again, the Quasimodo pattern, it's not the most popular among forex traders, but in my opinion and from my experience, it's one of the most powerful pattern which help us to identify the change of the momentum at the very beginning, and therefore it provides us a great risk reward potential. Thank you for joining us this time. I hope you'll find the benefits from this pattern. Wish you all a quiet weekend and health, and see you the next time. Thank you. Bye bye.